All right, section 6 now. We're still looking at some triangle inequalities, but now we're going to be looking at kind of comparing sides of two triangles, okay, sides and angles. So this hinge theorem, I want you to think of a door and opening and closing a door, okay? So the first thing that we need to have in triangles when we are doing a hinge theorem, we have to have two pairs of congruent sides. Okay, so here AB is congruent to FG, okay, and AC is congruent to FH, okay? And the angle that is created by those pairs of sides is what we're going to be focusing on here, okay? So angle A and angle F is what we're comparing, okay? So since angle A in the first triangle, the measure of angle A is larger than the measure of angle F, okay? Those are those included angles. We then can conclude that the side opposite the larger angle, okay, so BC here is going to be larger than the side opposite that smaller angle. Okay, so think of AC here and FH like the doorway. Okay, the doorway is not going to change. And AB and FG, that's the door. The door is not going to change size, okay? When we open the door farther, that distance from the door to the doorway has to be bigger if the door is not open as far. Okay. The converse of that is also true. Okay, so we still have two pairs of congruent sides. Okay, JL here and PR are congruent. And KL and QR are congruent. All right. And we are going to then be looking at side lengths. Okay, so here JK and PQ. All right, and PQ is larger than JK. All right, so this here, the distance from the door to the doorway here is larger than it is here. Okay, that means that angle R that's opposite that larger opening is bigger than angle L when that door is not open as wide. Okay, so some examples here. We've got WZ congruent to YZ, and then reflexive property here lets us say that XZ is congruent to XZ. So we've got basically the doorway, and then two doors are swinging open. Okay. When we look at how wide this door is open and how wide this door is open, okay, since 51 is smaller than 55, okay, WX is going to be smaller than XY. Okay, that should be an X. Okay. Now, example 2, okay, we've got FB congruent to CD, all right, and then FC here, again, reflexive property, okay, and we are comparing the measure of angle FCD, so this angle here, and BFC, this angle here. All right, so to do that, 3 is opposite this angle here, okay, and 3.6 is opposite this angle here. All right, since 3, which is opposite angle FCD, is smaller than 3.6, which is opposite angle BFC, okay, that means the measure of this angle is smaller than the measure of the other angle, okay? I want you to try 3 and 4 on your own. All right, check your work, and then that is it for section 6.